Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Power of AEM. In this session, we will learn about Context Hub. As we know, this is one of the powerful feature providing by AEM in order to get personalized content on AEM sites. So when we are talking about what is overall Content Hub, it is a client-side JavaScript framework which is providing us many features in order to start the personalization with minimal effort. However, as this is a JavaScript based framework, you can leverage and extend the same framework for your custom purposes as well. When we are talking about what is coming out of the box, it is pulling out multiple information which we can set during the targeting of the content page and show different experiences to end user. Those traits could be related to user. For example, we can play around with the age, gender, even though anonymous user or logged in user. Similarly, we can play around with the information related to devices, like which browser you are using, what is the device type, and screen sizes. Even though you can play around with the other location related information like latitude and longitude or any region specific data. So based on these traits, you can set up your targeting content for different audiences. And that's how you can achieve the personalization by using the context hub. This feature is very good when we are targeting a very small level of personalization. However, when we have a good amount of request on the personalization and we need to capture multiple data, want to flow that data to different products. In that case, we need to look at the Adobe target. So if we do the comparison between Context Hub and Adobe Target, Context Hub is having limited feature. However, it is capable enough to display the personalization to different set of audiences. Context Hub is also able to connect with the target system in order to utilize its target engine for getting the personalized content. And we can also leverage the audiences that we have created on the target system. So in your organization, if you are already having a target system or target product you have already acquired, in that case, you can leverage in the Context Hub as well. As we are talking about, it is not having all the features as compared to Adobe Target. So we cannot generate the reports on Context Hub, even though we cannot share the data that we are capturing or can take any further action the way that we generally do in Adobe Target. So these all are the high level features available on Context Hub. However, when we are talking about what exactly we need to set up a personalized content, we need to look at on the audiences. Again, audiences you can create at Context Hub level, or you can pull out from the target system. Segments you need to also create, so you can take a decision what kind of users or which kind of information I want to show in the experience. Experience is the actual targeting place. For example, if you are having a content page, on that content page, you want to show personalized content on multiple places. For example, your hero banner might be you want to target your footer, header, or any other section of your page. You can select that section of the page in the activities. In the combination of these three, you can generate a personalized content. In the next video, we will learn about how you can create audiences, segments, activities, and how you can generate the personalized content. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel.